Strange howls fill the morning air. Cool Dog's on the case. I hope it does it again. Come on, do it again. Are you kidding me? I don't know if you can hear the freaking big drone that's hovering right over the house right now. But it's like the minute I hear something scream, the minute I hear something weird and start a camera, up shows a blasted drone. And if it's not drones, helicopters. I see a lot of helicopters. Oh, that went something that sounded like a knock, but it was off in a different direction. Well, if you see anything in this video Cool Dog missed, let me know in the comments below. If you actually heard anything, let me know. I think I missed the big whoopy sound by about 3 seconds when I got the camera started, and I was hoping it would repeat, but I don't think it. I don't think it did. If it did it, I didn't hear it. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that stupid little bell like every dudes.